Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, in our previous videos, we derived the formula for a minus b cube, right? In this video, we are going to solve few examples based on the formula of a minus b cube. So, let's continue. Suppose the question is x minus 2 cube. Can we use the formula of a minus b cube? Definitely yes, because first term is positive, second term is negative, and there is a cube of the brackets. Okay, and we know how to use the formula. What we have to do first, we have to write the formula. I told you the advantages of writing formula. First thing, every time you write the formula, you recall it correctly, right? And it is easier for you to learn it, right? Instead of directly learn it, just practice by use and learn it. Okay, so let's first write the formula. First, if a minus b cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Therefore, x minus 2 cube is equals to. The second advantage of writing formula is it's easier to decide which term in the formula will be replaced by which term in the question. Just by observation you can identify that a in the formula will be replaced by x in the question and b in the formula will be replaced by 2 in the question. So let's replace a by x and b by 2. A cube will be replaced by x cube. Therefore, x minus 2 cube will be equals to x cube minus 3 into a square. And what we have decided to replace a with x. So let's replace it. X square, a square will be replaced by x square into b. B is nothing but 2. So multiply by 2. Clear? So that's how we have written 3a square with first term. Means second term. Let's write the third term. Third term is plus 3 into a. A is what? X. 3 multiplied by x, directly we can write it as 3x into b square. What is the value of b? B will be replaced by 2. So that is 2 square minus b cube, and b will be replaced by 2, hence 2 cube. Clear? So first step, write the formula over. Second step, replace the values in the formula by values in the question. Done. Now let's continue with the third and final step. Third and final step is to solve the equation by applying BODMAS rule continuously. Okay, so according to BODMAS, there will be first bracket and order. Bracket is not there, so let us see orders. Which orders are there? X cube, x square, 2 square and 2 cube. So let's solve these orders first. So that is equals to x cube, which is already solved. Only one variable is there, minus 3x square into 2. Clear up to this? Plus 3 into x into 2 square is nothing but 4 minus 2 cube, which is equals to 8. So bracket, order, then what? Division and multiplication. Division is not there in the equation. So let us see where are the multiplications. Multiplication are at two places. Both of the multiplications are having same priority according to BODMAS. So let us solve them from left to right. Whenever priority are same, what we have to do? We have to solve from left to right. So on the left, x cube, which is not multiplying to any number. So let's write it as it is, x cube. Okay. Then minus 3x square into 2. 3 2s are 6. Minus plus minus. So answer is equals to minus 6x square. Plus 3x into plus 4. 3 4s are 12 plus plus plus. So that is equals to plus 12x minus 8. Okay friends, now according to BODMAS, bracket, orders, division, multiplication over. So what is remain? Addition, subtraction. For addition, subtraction, let us see, is there addition, subtraction possible? Whenever we have to do addition, subtraction of terms, it is only possible among like terms. So let us see, are there any like terms? X cube. Is there any another term with variable x and index 3? There is not any another. X square is alone. There is not any other term where variable is x and index is 2. Here index is 3, here index is 1. Here is not x, means index is 0. 12x, variable x, index 1. Here index is different 3, here index is different 2, here also index is different. Minus 8 is the only number in the given expression. So all of the terms in the expression are unlike. So addition subtraction of these terms is not possible, right? Hence this is our final answer. So we can write, therefore x minus 2 cube is equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8. 2p minus 5q cube. Can we apply the formula of a minus b cube? The answer is perfectly yes, because first term is positive, second is negative, and there is a cube of the bracket. Okay, so according to our system, let's first write the formula. If a minus b cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, therefore 2p minus 5q cube is equals to, just by the observation we will come to know that a in the formula will be replaced by 2p and b in the formula will be replaced by 5q. So let's replace, therefore a cube will be replaced by 2p whole cube. Why I have applied bracket around 2p? Because here we have to find out cube of 2p together. We don't have to find out cube of only p or only 2. We have to find out cube of both, right? So while applying BODMAS, we should remember that we have to find cube of both. Hence we have enclosed them together in the bracket. In the previous example, x was alone, so not enclosed within bracket. 2 was alone, so it was not enclosed within the bracket. Clear, friends? So 2p cube minus 3 into a square. Once again, a square is nothing but 2p. Square of both term, both 2 and p. So 2p whole square. Clear? Into b, b is nothing but 5q. B will be replaced by 5q. Plus 3 into a is 2p, into b square, b is nothing but 5q, but we have to multiply by square of 5q, not only 5q. So we enclosed it within brackets. 5q square minus b cube means 5q whole cube. Clear, friends? Now let's apply BODMAS. According to BODMAS, first is bracket, then order. So here is one bracket. What is there in the bracket? Order. So it comes bracket with order. This one also bracket, order, bracket as well as order, bracket as well as order. So bracket and order, two operations we are solving together. 2p cube is nothing but 8p cube. Cube of 2 into cube of p minus 3 into 2p square. Square of 2p is 4p square. So 3 multiplied by 4p square. Clear? Into 5q plus 3 into 2p into 5q square. Square of 5 to square of both. Square of 5, 25. Square of q, q square. So that is equals to 25q square minus 5q cube. Means cube of both. Cube of 5 is 125 into cube of q is q cube. Clear, friends? So bracket and order finished. What is next according to BODMAS? Division, multiplication. There is not any division, only multiplication. Where are the multiplications? 1, 2, 3, 4 places. All multiplications do have same priority. So what we have to do? We have to solve from left to right. So let's scan the example from left to right and solve it. First term is 8p cube, which is not multiplying to any another term. So write it as it is. So that is equals to 8p cube. Okay, friends. Now here 3 into 4 into 5. Our calculation is good. We can directly multiply this. Otherwise, you can divide the same multiplication into 2 steps. That all of you are aware with. Suppose you are doing it since childhood. means 3 into 2 into 5. If such kind of multiplication is there, you can directly multiply it as 5 2s are 10 into 3 is equals to 30, right? Or you can write it as, if 3 into 2 into 5 is there, you can write it as 3 2s are 6 into 5, which is again equals to 30. Or you can write it as 3 into 2 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 3 multiplied by 10, which is equals to 30. So if all multiplications are there, you can do it directly. But if there is a mixture of multiplication, addition, subtraction, then you can't. Means you cannot do that 8p cube minus 3 and then multiply by 4p. Okay. So that's why solve according to BODMAS genuinely. Okay. And this is only possible in the case of multiplication. So 3 into 4, 12. 12 into 5, 60. Or 5 into 4, 20 into 3. 60 is the answer of multiplication. Clear, friends? Multiplication of coefficient is over. Now we have to decide the symbols. Minus into plus, minus plus, minus, again that minus into plus, minus plus, minus. So symbol of the multiplication is minus 60. Okay. Now let us see variables. P square Q. Different variables, unlike variables. So we can write directly as P square Q. Okay. Now next, 3 into 2 into 25. 25 2s are 50. 50 3s are 150. So answer of multiplication is 150. Answer of multiplication is 150. Now let us see symbols. Plus plus plus, and again that plus into plus plus. So symbol of answer is also plus. Let us see variables. P into Q square. Different variables, write them as it is PQ square. Clear, friends? Minus 125 Q, which is not multiplying to any other number. Now addition subtraction, we have to check whether it is possible to do addition subtraction, because according to BODMAS, bracket order multiplication division is over. So let us say addition subtraction. Is it possible to do addition subtraction? Are there any like terms, pair of like terms at least? There is not. So this is our final answer. All of the terms are unlike. P cube, there is not any other P cube. P square alone, here is P only. Q is alone because there is Q square and Q cube. Q square alone, Q cube alone. All of the terms are unlike. Hence this is our final answer. So we can write it as 2p minus 5q cube is equals to this 8p cube minus 60p square cube plus 150p q square minus 125 q cube.